Aditi, you tried any questions from assignment? You solved from any questions from your module or somewhere?
Yeah, so I did a few from the assignments, like the IU pack name, and
Oh,
I have an exam tomorrow, so I couldn't do any.
okay. So, don't have any doubts in that, but now?
No, sir.
Okay. Just I'm waiting for others. If they started, means just at least you gone through your notes, yesterday notes.
Sorry, sir, I didn't hear you.
You gone through your notes. Yesterday you read
Yes,
what we discussed in it all once. Aditi, you are from?
sir, I'm from Maharashtra, but I grew up in Hyderabad.
Okay. Just joining. Then Aditi, I'll give until that I'll give some examples. Can you try the IUPAC nomenclature of that one? Cyclic compounds only. Because still cyclic compounds is not yet finished. Okay, so we're discussing one thing only. I think so. I discussed any rules also, just simple nomenclature only we had done. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we will write some names. So, for example, uh, so what is the impact name of this one, Aditi?
Cycloprop 1E.
Very good one. Cycloprop 1E. Cycloprop 1E. Okay, so directly we can also cyclopropene also we can write now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so because we need not to mention the number because of already only one it is there. Okay, if any other substituents it is there, that time we have to compulsory mention the number. Okay, so this also we can write as a cyclopropene. Cyclopropene also we can write here. And second example, okay, if they had given like this, how we can write?
So but-1,2-diene.
One to
Cyclobut-1,2-diene.
diene or numbering once you check it out. Numbering only problem you're getting. It's not 1, 2 because of numbering you are getting different now.
Sorry, sir, it's 3. 1,3-diene.
Yeah, right now. So 1, 3 diene. For the clarity, what is the answer you got here? So what is the answer for this one means here? Cyclobutane cyclobuta 1, 3 diene. Okay. Cyclobuta. What is the IUPAC name of this one means here? Cyclobuta
1,3-diene.
1, 3 diene. Okay. So I'll give one more structure to you. And if I wrote like this, okay, and here double one. Right. So what is the impact name of the given structure? After today, I'll finish the IUPAC nomenclature. No one is joining.
For one ethyl, uh,
Come on, wait. It's not the one ethyl because of alkyl group double bond. If you see the priority order means double bond, we have to give the first priority, ma. Aditi, you got my point or not?
yes, sir.
Okay, according to the priority order, first we have to give the priority to the double bond. After that, we have to give the priority to the alkyl group. So from where you can start the numbering.
So from the double bond.
From here we can start now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now you got the clarity?
Yes, sir. So 3 ethyl, pen,
Yeah,
1,
correct.
2,
3,
di.
3 ethyl, cyclo, pent, 1 comma. What is the position of the double bond? 1 comma 4, di. So this is the correct answer. Okay. Now you got the clarity, Aditi?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can I give one more example?
Yes, sir.
Amita, good evening. Okay, and one more example. Yeah, good evening, Samita. One more example for you both. What is the impact name of the given compound?
Sir, is it 1,2-dimethylhexene, cyclohexene?
Very good. Correct answer. So what is the impact name of the given compound means here? It is 1 comma 2 dimethyl cyclohexene. Cyclohexene. Okay. Next. Okay, next I'm coming to the main point. So almost I waited some 10 minutes time. No one is joined. Then I'll go for the main concepts. So now all these are the simple examples which are related to the functional group I had given. Okay. Sometimes we are getting as some conditions here. Okay. So what we had to get as a conditions means here. Here, first one. Until that, now before that you can check it out means here. If you compare with the cyclic rings and open chain compounds. Okay, open chain compound. That means we can call as a straight chains. Okay, so this one we can call as a straight chains and cyclic rings are there. Okay, in that one if you compare means straight chains are having less number of carbon atoms and cyclic rings are having more number of carbon atoms. When the straight chains are having less number of carbon atoms and cyclic rings are having more number of carbon atoms means cyclic rings are it becomes as a parental chain and straight chains are it becomes as a substituent. That's why everywhere you mentioned as a substituent only. You wrote as a prefix of straight chains or open chain compounds also. Is it right? Okay. Now, what is the another condition means here? If we are having equal number of straight chain, equal number of carbon atoms in a straight chain and a cyclic ring, but which one we can consider it as a substituent and which one we can consider it as a parental chain means here, sir. Here, cyclic rings are we can consider it as a parental chain and open chain compounds are we consider it as a substituent. Once again, I'm repeating the statement. Condition one. Note I am writing. Sir, what is the condition means? If open chain, or we can call as straight chains. Straight chains, straight chains and cyclic rings, cyclic rings are having equal number of carbon atoms. Having equal number of carbon atoms. Equal number of carbon atoms. Open chain. Open chains are considered substituent cyclic ring considered as parental chain. Considered as parental chain. So this is a condition. Okay, so when we are taking here, if the open chain or straight chains, okay, and cyclic rings are having equal number of carbon atoms, then open chains are be considered as a substituent and cyclic ring are be considered as a parental chain. Sir, what are the examples for that one means here? Let us see. I'll give one example, some examples here. So what is the example mean? For example, here cyclopropane and open chain compound. Now you can check it out, sir. Open chain also it is having equal number of carbon atoms and cyclic ring also it is having equal number of carbon atoms. Okay. So 1, 2, 3. And cyclic ring also it is having 3 carbon atoms. So which one we are considering it is as a substituent? Open chain. That means alkyl group. Okay. And cyclopropane becomes as a parental chain. Then how we can write the IUPAC nomenclature of this one? How we can write one?
Propyl cyclopropane.
Very good one. So this we can write as here propyl cyclopropane. Okay, this we can write as here propyl cyclopropane. Okay, I'll give one more example. What is IUPAC name of this one? Akshit, Samhita, Sriveda. Very good. Right. What is the IUPAC name of the given compound? Sriveda. What is the IUPAC name of the given compound? What is IUPAC name? Sriveda or Samhita, Aditi?
Butyl cyclobutane.
Very good.
Cyclobutane.
Very good one. So, what is the name of this one means here? Butyl cyclobutane. Butyl cyclobutane. Okay. And one more condition also it is there. What is the another condition means here? Note, sir. So, what is the second condition means? If straight chains. Okay. So, which one my here? If the straight chains are open chains also we can consider. Which one we can say? Our side chains also we can consider. If side chains are having more number of carbon atoms, more number of carbon atoms, then cyclic ring becomes substituent. Cyclic ring becomes substituent. Okay, and open chain becomes parental chain. open chain, or that also we can call as a side chain. Side chain, it becomes as parental chain. Side chain becomes parental chain. Parental chain. Okay, shall we try for some examples, sir, here? Okay, first I'm taking as cyclopropane only, simple structure I'll take here, cyclopropane. If it is attaches with the 4 carbon atoms. Okay, if you see means how many carbon atoms are there in this one? 4 carbon atoms are there. Okay, how we can write the IUPAC name, IUPAC nomenclature? 1, 2, 3, 4. Because our substituent has to get us the least numbering only, na, as per the rule. Okay, according to that one, how we can write the IUPAC nomenclature of this one? What is IUPAC name of this one? So this we can write as a 1 cyclopropyl, 1 cyclopropyl. Root word, how many carbon atoms are there? 4 are there. Hence we can write as a butane. So 1 cyclopropyl butane. And this also slightly I'll modify and I'll give one more structure. So what is the IUPAC name of this one? Any one of you? Any one of you, what is the IUPAC name of this one? Sir, we can start the numbering from here. First root word, because of you're telling that side chain or open chain is having more number of carbon atoms. Which one is having the more number of carbon atoms here? Open chain. And cyclic ring is having less number of carbon atoms. Then open chain it becomes as a parental chain and cyclic ring it becomes as a substituent. Okay. And according to the IUPAC rules, substituent has to get us a least numbering. So we can give the numbering from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So according to that one, what is IUPAC name?
2 cyclopropyl pentane.
Very good one. 2 cyclopropyl, 2 cyclopropyl pentane. Okay, what is the IUPAC name of this one means here? 2 cyclopropyl pentane. Okay. Next, Sriveda is left. I don't know what happened. Next. So one more example. What is another example means here? Right. What is the IUPAC name of the given compound? Any one of you? What is the IUPAC name? Aditi or Samhita? Sai Akshit? Today Madhusudana is absent, Anjani is absent, Sri Veda also absent.
Sir, is it 3 cyclopentyl, 5 methyl heptane?
It's not the 5 methyl one. Substitute has to get as a least number. Once you check it out, in which direction if you give numbering means you will get as a less numbering. I think so you had given from this side. Right now? Aditi, you had given from left to right.
Yeah.
Okay, but substituent has to get the least numbering. Na? That means if you give from this side means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
4-cyclopentyl 3-methyl heptane.
Very good now. Okay, this we can write as here 4, 4 cyclopentyl, 4 cyclopentyl, 3 methyl, 3 methyl heptane. 3 methyl heptane is the IUPAC name. Now you got the clarity? Okay. And one more condition is there. So what is the another condition means? So this is very important. Most of the times we are seeing, and sometimes they are asking the question in the examination part also. Here we are getting little bit confusion also while writing the IUPAC names here. Okay. So what is the next condition we are having means? Here, if side chain, if side chain contains functional group, side chain contains functional group. Okay, so functional groups. So what are the functional groups? We have a list of the functional groups. Okay, if the side chain contains functional group, okay, while having functional group, irrespective of their chain length, irrespective of their chain length, their chain length, side chain becomes parental chain, side chain becomes parental chain, and cyclic ring becomes substituent, becomes substituent, become substituent. Okay, so based on this one, we'll see some examples here. Okay, this is the third condition. So what is the, according to the condition, what is the condition here? If the side chain contains the functional groups, irrespective of their chain length, side chain it becomes as a parental chain, and cyclic ring it becomes as a substituent. Okay, according to that one, I'll give some of the examples means here. First, in this one, so this is the one structure. How we can write the IUPAC name of the given compound? So first we have to select the parental chain. Okay, which one is the parental chain means side chain, because of it is containing the functional group. Okay, and whenever it is containing the functional group, that means side chain it becomes as a parental chain, and cyclic ring it becomes as a substituent. Okay, according to the priority order, functional groups has to get as a least numbering. Hence, I am giving the numbering from this side 1, 2, 3. Then how we can write the IUPAC nomenclature of the given compound means 3 cyclopropyl, 3 cyclopropyl, and so 3 cyclopropyl. Root word is containing 3 carbon atoms. Then pro, position of the double bond. Double bond is present at first carbon atom. Hence we can write as a propene also. What is the IUPAC name of the given compound means 3 cyclopropyl propene. Okay, and one more example I'll write here. Here CH double bond, CH bond, CH3. This how we can write now. IUPAC name of the given compound. Okay, IUPAC name of given compound. What is the IUPAC name of the given compound? Aditi, what is the IUPAC name of the given compound? So you are feeling little bit more about the nomenclature.
Sir, is it cyclobutyl propene?
Cyclobutyl
Propene.
propene, correct only. Okay, it is cyclobutyl propene. But which cyclobutyl propene means here? One cyclobutyl, one cyclobutyl propene, one cyclobutyl propene. Okay, and I'll give one more structure. So what is the impact name of the given compound? Can I explain, ma'am? Aditi.
Is it
Yeah.
cyclopropene ethanoic acid?
No, ma'am. Okay. Three carbon atoms are there, ma'am. One, two, three are there. Okay. Three carbon atoms. And cyclic ring it is there. Okay. How we can write this impact nomenclature means here? Three cyclo
Propene.
propene, ma'am. Okay.
Propene.
Propenyl actually. How we can write means here? 3-cyclopropenyl. In root word, how many carbon atoms are there? 3 carbon atoms are there. While having the 3 means root word, it becomes as a pro. Given compound is saturated compound. Then ane. What is the suffix of the given compound? What is the suffix of the given compound? Samhita.
Oic acid.
Oic acid, sir.
Oic acid. Okay. So oic acid. Hence it becomes as here 3-cyclopropenyl propanoic acid. Okay. Now I'm going to give one more structure also. One more one. So this is the last one. Then we go for the bicyclic compounds. Okay. Hmm. What is the impact name of the given compound? What is the impact name of the given compound?
Pre